The 2027 Jeep Recon 4xe Trailhawk stands as a symbol of how far adventure has evolved in the modern era, an SUV that merges the unbreakable spirit of off-road freedom with the sophistication of electric innovation. Its design speaks a universal language of power, purpose, and precision, and every curve of its body reflects the philosophy that Jeep has followed for decades: go anywhere, do anything, and leave no trail unconquered. At first glance, the Recon 4xe Trailhawk looks commanding, dressed in a signature metallic blue-gray color that captures both the cold determination of steel and the serenity of the open sky. Under the bright showroom lights of a luxury white English dealership, the SUV's contours shimmer with reflected light, each angle revealing new layers of design intelligence, aerodynamic efficiency blended with a raw, muscular posture. The full front side view alone is enough to make enthusiasts pause. The 7-slot grille proudly sits at the center, framed by LED headlamps that glow like the eyes of a predator ready to take the wilderness head-on. Unlike any of its predecessors, the 2027 Jeep Recon 4xe Trailhawk is built on the principles of next-generation mobility. It represents Jeep's strongest push toward a fully electrified off-road experience. The 4Z badge on its flanks is not merely a branding label, it's a declaration of evolution. This machine doesn't just aim to follow the tradition of Wranglers, Cherokees, or Rubicons, it aims to redefine them. Its electric dual-motor system generates instant torque that conventional combustion engines could only dream of. The moment the driver touches the accelerator, the Recon 4Z responds with a surge of silent authority, a whisper of power that defies the noise of traditional engines yet delivers unmatched performance on rocky trails, desert dunes, and wet forest paths. Whether on asphalt or sand, it moves with equal confidence, stabilizing itself with intelligent terrain management that adapts in real time to the landscape ahead. The cabin of the 2027 Recon 4xe Trailhawk is a study in luxury and functionality. Opening the doors reveals an interior crafted with bold intention. Every switch, screen, and surface feels both futuristic and familiar. The two-tone leather seats with red stitching embrace the passengers like a second skin, offering comfort on long journeys while maintaining a sense of rugged durability. The dashboard glows with ambient lighting that shifts tones according to drive modes, from a cool electric blue in eco mode to a fiery red in trail mode. The panoramic roof above floods the cabin with daylight, giving an open-air connection to nature even when enclosed in luxury. Jeep has infused this vehicle with the very soul of adventure, but with the intelligence of technology. A 14-inch digital infotainment screen powered by the latest Uconnect system, wireless Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation with off-road terrain mapping, and an array of driving assistance features that make exploration easier than ever before. Beneath the floor lies the Recon 4x's heart, a powerful 100 kWh battery pack, designed for endurance and reliability. It supports both AC and DC fast charging, allowing 10 to 80% battery capacity to be replenished in just under half an hour. This ensures that even in the modern rush of life, the Recon remains ready for every spontaneous adventure. Jeep's engineers have combined advanced cooling systems with rugged protection plates, ensuring that the vehicle can cross rivers, climb rocky inclines, and power through muddy terrains without hesitation. The Trailhawk badge isn't ornamental, it signifies the highest level of Jeep's off-road testing. Locking differentials, underbody skid plates, and adaptive air suspension make the Recon 4xe Trailhawk a genuine off-road performer, capable of facing challenges far beyond the city limits. But it isn't just about power, it's about purpose. The Recon 4xe Trailhawk reflects Jeep's commitment to sustainability. By blending electric drive with trail capability, Jeep is proving that adventure and environmental responsibility can coexist. The absence of engine noise allows explorers to hear the world around them, the rustle of leaves, the sound of water, the rhythm of nature, all without leaving behind emissions. The design team deliberately shaped every inch of the SUV to reduce aerodynamic drag while preserving the iconic Jeep silhouette. Even the alloy wheels are engineered to maximize efficiency without compromising strength, coated in a dark titanium finish that complements the body's cool metallic hue. The illumination of the taillights at night is a statement of modernity, sharp, square LED outlines glowing with technological precision. From the top view, the Jeep Recon 4xe Trailhawk's form is both sculptural and strategic. The panoramic roof panel reflects the light of the showroom ceiling, forming a perfect symmetry with the vehicle's geometry. The blacked-out roof rails stand ready to support adventure gear, while the curvature of the hood reveals the subtle aerodynamic lines that help it glide smoothly through wind resistance. Every design element has been crafted to serve dual purposes, aesthetics and function. The same principle continues inside the cabin, where hidden compartments, modular storage, and foldable seating configurations make it ideal for both urban lifestyle and wilderness exploration. Even its lighting system has intelligence. Sensors adjust interior brightness based on outside conditions, ensuring optimal visibility day and night. When viewed from the side, the Recon 4xe Trailhawk radiates a stance of authority. The wide fenders, thick off-road tires, and elevated ground clearance convey readiness for action. The door hinges are visible, a signature Jeep design cue symbolizing strength and authenticity. The metallic blue-gray paint transforms under different light conditions, sometimes appearing deep ocean blue, sometimes brushed steel, sometimes a soft silver mist. Its body panels catch the reflection of the showroom's polished floor, creating an almost mirror-like aesthetic that gives the SUV an aura of motion even while standing still. Beneath that elegant design lies serious engineering, a reinforced chassis built to withstand harsh conditions and provide maximum stability even on steep slopes. In the engine bay, although electric, there's still a sense of mechanical beauty. The dual-motor setup sits cleanly within a minimalist frame. Wires, cooling channels, and power modules are arranged with artistic precision. Unlike traditional combustion engines, there's no clutter, no exhaust pipes, no oil stains, only refined technology sealed in metallic symmetry. This clean layout highlights the future of automotive design, simplicity that hides complexity. Jeep has balanced old-school ruggedness with futuristic engineering, creating a machine that feels both familiar and revolutionary. Inside Jeep's advanced assembly plant, the production of the 2027 Recon 4xe Trailhawk tells its own story. Robots weld panels in perfect synchronization, sparks flying like stars across the metallic frames. Engineers oversee every stage of the process, ensuring that each weld, bolt, and electronic circuit meets strict quality standards. The metallic blue-gray paint is applied through robotic sprayers, giving each vehicle a flawless, mirror-smooth finish. Under bright LED factory lights, the vehicle gradually transforms from raw metal into a piece of automotive art. It's a moment of modern craftsmanship, where human expertise meets robotic precision. Every Jeep that rolls off the assembly line carries a lineage of strength, endurance, and the promise of exploration. From a technological perspective, the 2027 Jeep Recon 4xe Trailhawk represents Jeep's bridge between the combustion past and the electric future. It is designed to please traditional Jeep loyalists who crave trail performance, while also appealing to the new generation of environmentally conscious drivers who value sustainability and smart mobility. Its range, approximately 300 miles on a full charge, ensures it can travel far beyond the reach of ordinary EVs. The regenerative braking system converts every descent into stored energy, proving that in the world of electric off-roading, efficiency can be an ally of adventure. The software controlling its terrain management is AI-assisted, continuously learning from driver behavior to predict and adjust traction, torque distribution, and suspension firmness automatically. In the luxury white English showroom, surrounded by soft ambient lights and reflective floors, the 2027 Jeep Recon 4xe Trailhawk stands as a masterpiece of modern engineering. Its presence commands attention not through noise but through confidence. It is a vision of what the next decade of adventure will look like: silent yet strong, efficient yet untamed, refined yet ready for the wild. Jeep's journey from the rugged World War II Willys to the electrified Recon 4xe Trailhawk is not just a story of automotive progress, it's the evolution of human imagination. This vehicle invites you to dream differently, to drive consciously, and to explore without boundaries. In its metallic reflection, one sees not only the road ahead but the promise of a cleaner, more powerful future where adventure and technology move as one.